Hello, namaste, bonjour. Welcome to our YouTube channel. कभी सोचा नहीं था कि हम YouTube channel बनाएंगे, पर here we are doing this cringy, awkward moment and trying to introduce ourselves. So yes, I am Krishna.
And I'm Aditi.
Yeah, so we are starting a YouTube channel and we want to do like multiple different things. It's completely due to our love towards YouTube, traveling, fitness, food, lifestyle.
Like you can expect everything in our channel.
Yeah, but mostly travel because we really love to travel. And maybe in the future, if we are good enough, we are successful, and I mean, we are not successful. We are successful little bit.
We are successful, but in
anyways,
case of vlogging, we are successful.
Yeah, but coming back to who I am, I will try to introduce myself. I am a PhD student here in France, University of Lorraine, and
I'm his wife. Recently we got married, and
and she left everything for me and came here in France.
Yeah,
left her job.
I left my IT job. I left my family. I left everything for this guy.
Yeah. So here we are living our life in France.
This is the I cannot say the motivation, but the main reason behind starting this vlog is like we want to show you the life in France, not only in France but all over the Europe, and probably when we will go to any other places, new places or new countries rather than Europe, we'll show you that also. So probably with your support and help we can grow very fast if you are supporting us, because he had a dream of
yes, since I think it's been now 5-6 years. I was watching every time YouTube channel in COVID. My favorite YouTube community, YouTuber. I think it's a family. We call it as a family. It's SATUL, and I love Snacks, Joker. Both of them, they are my favorite YouTubers. And then of course everyone grew up watching Bhuvan Bam, Ashish Chanslani and Harsh Beniwal. But like in COVID, I had really like but I wanted to create travel vlogs. So I did made one, but it just made one and then stopped. But finally, after 5 years of procrastination, I am taking this decision. We are taking this decision and starting a YouTube channel.
We thought abhi nahi to kabhi nahi ho sakta. So let's start it. Not tomorrow, but today. No, today also, now. So it's the time that we are starting it. So let's see.
Yes. So
what goes on.
Again, coming back to introduction, we completely forgot to tell you that we come from a small city called Nashik. It's a pilgrimage city. We have Kumbh Mela. Everyone knows Kumbh Mela. We have Karansi Road Press. We have Trimbakeshwar. It's one of the Jyotirlingas.
And our city is also called the capital wine city.
Wine capital of India. So we have the biggest production of grapes in our district, we can say. And yes, so that's our city. And right now in France, we are in Metz. It's close to Luxembourg and Germany border. So yeah, that's it for introduction, I think. And hopefully, if I'm not lazy enough for editing, we will give you guys good enough content. And mostly I want to say this because I'm starting this is one thing. My storage is getting full, so I don't know where to upload all our photos and videos that we're doing. So one of the aim of the YouTube channel is documentation of our journey. So YouTube is the very good option. It can have some good byproducts.
It's also for our memories, and if there are many people who was asking us that how is your life over there, and like how is the life of other people, the climate, the seasons and everything. So we was like, okay, let's start nothing but a vlogging through which we can show people, or like we too can get a chance to explore the world, you see.
Yes. So right now we don't know anything about editing. We just know that we want to make YouTube videos. That's why we are starting. And yes, there is a difference between speaking let's say live on Instagram or I don't know, like on Google Meets, you know, if you are from corporate, but it's different to speak on a camera. So we want to develop this skill,
Yeah.
editing skills, you know, so we will learn new skills. We want to overcome this awkwardness, like, भाई दोस्त क्या कहेंगे, family वाले क्या कहेंगे, that shit we don't want here. We want to be free, and I know two people who are gonna make fun of me.
No,
One is
man,
Saurabh
it's
Thorat,
okay.
and second is his brother Gaurav Thorat. Fuck you guys. So, okay, I will give this, but yeah. Okay, anyways, that's it. I think if you want to say anything else from my side, I completed.
Yeah, so like telling about our journey or story, like we will keep on sharing everything
Yes.
in the coming vlogs. Also, like it's completely about traveling, more towards traveling, but also like for me,
Yeah.
I love cooking. I love cooking. First come painting and then cooking. So maybe like I will share you the.
If now I'm thinking, why not also cricket vlogs or information? I can do that. You know, like if there is some match in England and I have the opportunity, man, nice.
Okay. Okay, that's
Yeah.
too far. Just think about what we have in
Yeah.
our plates now. So,
Yes.
so like your support is mandatory, not mandatory, but really it will
Anyways,
help
but-
us and encourage us to create vlogging and blah 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 of everything.
Yeah.
So
And
this is just an introduction.
Fitness is kind of commitment, you see.
Yeah.
So like if I give a commitment online, so then I can't come back on from it. So you see, I have to do it. So right now you can see I have a big belly. I don't have that much good body, but I have written fitness. So you guys were probably wondering what is this guy doing for fitness. So yes,
You
so
can
if I
see
do
the
commitment,
transformation.
I'm gonna do, maybe I have something in mind, so I'm gonna show you guys pretty soon. It will be maybe a series, you know, like 75 hard challenge, like Ankit Biancuria, something like this. So yeah, it's for self-improvement. Most probably, I have a lot of motivation, but I lack in discipline, so I want to develop that as well. So yes,
Okay.
that's it.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's
And
it from
man,
us.
see,
Okay.
I just got a scratch from shaving. Bye.
See
Peace.
you. Bye.
हाँ
And
भाई,
of course, we forgot
बोलना
the
तो भूल ही
main-
गए. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Okay,
It's Krishna
bye-bye.
X Aditi.
See you.